Hey guys, welcome back to Geeks. In this video I'm going to show you how to create playlist on YouTube, and I'll be showing you on my phone right here, YouTube, a mobile app. Right now, the first thing you need to do on your phone is to open YouTube app, and on your YouTube homepage, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then on these options, tap on your channel option and you'll be taken to your channel homepage. Now the next thing you need to do, just tap on manage videos down here. Then the list of your videos will open up. Next, just go to the video you want to add it to a playlist. So let's say this one right here. Now once you're on that video, just tap on these three dots on your right. Then from these pop-up options, now you need to tap on save to playlist option. Then if you have playlist already on your channel, they'll be listed down here, right? But to create new playlist, just tap on new playlist. The next small box right here, you need not to give your new playlist a title, right? I just type in Instagram tips. Then once you're done, go to privacy, then tap on this drop down icon. Then here we have all these three settings. Now pick your preferred setting. So we have public, private and unlisted, right? So for me, I just pick public. Then once you're done, just tap on create and a new playlist to be created on your channel. So guys, that's how you can create a playlist on YouTube. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.